can I show you how to make this? Because I made this and it's the flipping cutest thing I ever made for my friend's baby shower. Okay, honestly, it's so much easier than you think. Let me show you. So go to Home Depot, get one of these big foam boards. This one looked like there was poop on it, so I ended up getting a different one. And you're just gonna bring it home and plop that sucker on the floor. And then you're gonna mark out the center of this foam board. And this is my little trick. I always tie a shoestring or a piece of rope to a marker. That way when I put it right in the center, it creates the perfect little arch, just like that. And then just get an X-Acto knife and cut it out. It's really, really easy to cut this thing because it's foam. And then I practiced smiling and doing all my poses for this baby shower, which was quite entertaining. Okay, sand on the edges so it's really smooth. And then I primed it and I painted it in this cute like beige color. Okay, but here's where it gets so fun. So I made this little Howdy Baby print on Canva and I just printed out on normal paper just like this. Okay, now follow along, stick with me here, folks. Get a very big freezer Ziploc bag and tape it on top of the paper. Then get a Sharpie marker and trace it. Almost like, you know, if you were a 90s child, they did this on like those projectors in school. Like that's all you want to do for this. So then you'll have a Ziploc bag with the drawing on just like that. Okay, now you're going to get a box and you're going to cut out a rectangle in the box and tape the Ziploc bag on backwards. The backwards part is so freaking important. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Then you're going to cut another hole at the other side of the box and get a flashlight. You're probably thinking, Shayna, where the hell are we going here? But just trust me, okay? I made a DIY projector. I put it in my bathroom and I put the flashlight facing through the box. That way it projected the Howdy Baby cowboy hat through the light and I could trace it perfectly onto the arch and pretend that I was flipping Bob Ross. You guys, it is honestly, it was probably the coolest thing I ever did. I was so proud. I was like, how did I do this? Anyways, you can do it now too. Okay, then I just chose all these really pretty paint colors and I just freehanded painted it. And let me tell you, I am no artist. I mean, I can barely color in the flipping lines in a coloring book, but I had fun with this and I just took my time and it turned out so good. But as you can see, like when you get up close, you know, I got a few little mistakes. I colored out the lines, but hey ho, honey, nobody's gonna notice because boom, it looks so good. It looks so good. Okay, now you're gonna go get these stencils. I got mine from Michael's. They're like Western stencils and it says how. I forgot the D, but don't worry, it's still there. There's the D. And I stippled them with some black paint with like this cute little foam thing. And then, oh my God, it's so cute. It's so cute. I peeled them back and I was left with a Howdy Baby arch of my dreams. Okay, after the now we're going to make like a little present to go with the arch just because I'm extra as fudge when it comes to DIYs. So I got a basket, some balloons, a little teddy bear, and I went to Home Depot and got 4 of these wood dowels. Okay, pay attention, folks. This is cute. So you're going to attach the wood towels with zip ties to the basket. Okay, there you go. Zip ties to basket. Just like that. So you got 4 of them. And you're going to blow up one of these big balloons. And this is going to be your hot air balloon minus the hot air. Just normal air, okay? It's not going to float. But you're going to put your little teddy bear in. And then you're going to be like, oh my God, that's adorable. Okay. And then the day of the baby shower, I ordered these cowboy or cow balloons and this balloon arch like ribbon from Amazon, and I blew them up, and you just pop the knots into it, and then I tied it to a curtain rod so it stayed up, and I just literally leaned the arch against the wall, and I attached more balloons to the little hot air balloon buddy. And you guys, this is it. Can you believe how adorable? My friend was literally shooketh. It was the cutest backdrop. Now you can make it yourself. You're welcome. Okay, bye.